Hi friends, welcome to the Kitch-Em show. In today's video, I'm going to just have some fun in creating some Christmas cards using some mixed media techniques that I've never really tried before, using texture paste, alcohol inks, and watercolors. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. This is going to be a video of me just kind of trying out some alcohol inks and playing around. Not quite a tutorial, although if it turns into one, awesome. If not, that's cool. It's not intended to be one. And I'm picking out some alcohol inks here. I've got one that's like a berry tone. It's called Currant. I've got this one here, which is a pearl, and it is a green shade called Envy. Shake that up really well. Cadmium red, I've got meadow, I've got, let's see, what other fun colors do I want to use? I've got an olive green and burgundy, that would be pretty, and gold. So I'm going to play around and just kind of see what happens. This is a matte metallic texture. And take a little bit of this. Brush it on in no particular rhyme or reason. Just playing. This has like a sandy, coarse texture. And smooth it out a little bit with my brush. There we go. Dry it. Okay, now for some ink. Let's do Meadow and see what happens. And how about some gold? And let's add some water. So I'm realizing I'm not the biggest fan of this gold color here. So I'm going to lift it. I'm using a paper towel to remove some of the excess water off of the card, and I'm going to let this air dry. While it's drying, I'm going to start on another card project. I started off by using texture paste. I'm just going to just kind of smear this in random spots. Okay, I'm going to do this burgundy shade, which is kind of like a purpley red hybrid. Do a little bit of a glittery one. I'm going to dry this off. And I'm going to grab some paint, some watercolor paints. I'm going to let this water just kind of overtake this a little bit. And now I'm going to dab some colorway. gonna go in and add some silver just to add some extra whatevers. And some gold as well. And I'm going to take a little bit more of this texture paste. Now you can outline every single bobble that you want to create here. I'm using an oil-based Sharpie marker to outline these little bobble circles. The reason I chose to use an oil is so that it doesn't run. Next step, I'm going to take a black normal marker, just kind of draw a line across the top. And I'm going to draw these lines connecting them. So now all of the strings are attached on the bobbles. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of embossing powder to this. What it's going to do is kind of bring everything together. So the color I'm gonna use is iridescent. I'm gonna apply it in some of these larger loops here. To emboss, you need a heating tool. Just gonna go back and clean up any of these lines. This one's a busy one, but really easy to do. This one that I did earlier. Anyway, that's how you create these bobble inspired mixed media art pieces. They're a little busy, they're a little funky, but they're kind of fun. I don't know. This one I have to say is my favorite because it's simple and it's, yeah. But it's fun to experiment. I'm not like the most amazing artist or anything, so I just had some fun with these. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!